Hello guys, in this tutorial you'll learn how you can change the synthesis language for your chats and conversations on Consensus AI. So let us guide you through this. Head over to Consensus AI, to the application, for example via web browser, log into your account, and here in the bottom left guys you will see your profile name. Click into it. Next, navigate to settings. From there click into preferences in the top left. And here under language settings guys you can set a language not for the display or interface, but as you can see through the synthesis, right? So it will be set to English on default, but you can go with any of these. So let me go with Spanish. And if I, for instance, now return to the home section or start a new thread, the artificial intelligence would then provide a list of research paper studies and all of that in the given synthesis language, which is Spanish for this case. So let me switch back to English, and that's how we do it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.